Hello everyone, this is DUHO1 here on Gemmy Master Metronics, and today what I have to review for you is the Dasini animated haunted eyeball doorbell. This is essentially a complete knockoff Gemmy eyeball doorbell. And there were two versions of these made. One of them is the gold one, which is sold all over Chinese sites, eBay, places like that. And there was a silver one that was sold exclusively, oddly enough, at the Fleet Farm store, which also had a few other Gemmy items last year, which I did not even know existed until last year. So therefore, the silver one is much harder to find, but we're talking about the golden one today. So this item, like I said, is a knockoff Gemmy item. It has the Gemmy audio of the eyeball doorbells, and it has the same sort of general functionality. There's the button you push at the bottom, and then the eyeball opens. However, the mechanism is different because instead of two eyelids opening, it's just one that sort of scrolls up, which is pretty cool. And here's the detail. It's like a tombstone with a cross on it, so pretty creepy. You can look at the packaging there. Sorry, the ceiling fan is on, so that's why it looks weird. In fact, I'll turn that off so no one gets epilepsy or whatnot. So just wait for that to turn off. But yeah, so I actually got this from AliExpress, which is Alibaba but for non-wholesalers. And yeah, it's a really cool item. And I was going to do a complete collection of the doorbells, but they made 3 different colors from the at Home Goods last year, and then there's the silver one of this, and then I was, I'm pretty close, not going to lie, because I have a lot of them. I have the original red, I have the black spider, and then there are like 1 or 2 other color variants of the spider one last year. So when I saw that, I just sort of threw in the towel with it. I sort of gave up. It's like I have a good amount of them already. There's the Grandin Road one over there. So yeah, we got a lot. Yeah, so now you can look at this. So it says animated haunted eyeball doorbell. Eyeball lights up, moves and blinks, makes spooky sounds, hangs up easily. And I have not taken this off with the card yet, as you can tell. And the back basically just says the same stuff. And that does say Dasini, that's the logo. And there's also a Face Out Ghost knockoff that they have also made, which I also have and did a review on. But that's really all I have to say about it, so without further ado, we will get through all the phrases now. You can see how that's different compared to this mechanism.
Did you know I was afraid of the dark?
There is an audio quality difference as well. So yeah, it rapidly looks side to side, and it has one eyelid that opens. So I'll press it once with the lights off, and then, yeah. See ya, guys.